Did you know severe allergic reactions can now be treated without a needle? Introducing Neffy, the game-changing nasal spray that delivers life-saving epinephrine fast. Hello, I'm David from the Pharmacy Corner. I'm here to break down health topics in a clear, simple way with key facts and practical tips. Let's get started.
Today, we're talking about Neffy, an epinephrine nasal spray that's making waves in anaphylaxis treatment. If you've ever worried about using an injector during a severe allergic reaction, Neffy might be an option worth discussing with your doctor. We'll cover what it is, how it works, how to use it, its uses, common side effects, and key precautions, all in simple terms. So, what exactly is Neffy? It's a nasal spray form of epinephrine, a medication that's been one of the first choices for treating severe allergic reactions for years. But unlike traditional injectors, Neffy is sprayed right into your nose, making it the first needle-free epinephrine option approved in the United States. How does it work? Epinephrine is a hormone that your body naturally produces in response to stress. When sprayed into your nose, Neffy quickly gets absorbed into your bloodstream. It relaxes the muscles in your airways to help you breathe easier and tightens your blood vessels to reduce swelling and stabilize your blood pressure. This rapid action can stop a severe allergic reaction in its tracks, buying you time to get medical help. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, Neffy provides comparable epinephrine levels in the blood to injectable versions, based on studies in healthy adults. That means it can deliver the same critical effects without the needle. Neffy is used for the emergency treatment of type 1 allergic reactions, including anaphylaxis. That's the severe, life-threatening kind where you might experience swelling in your face, mouth, or throat, hives, rash, or trouble breathing. It's approved for adults and children who weigh at least about 66 pounds or 30 kilograms. Things like food allergies, insect stings, or reactions to medications can trigger these episodes, so having something like Neffy on hand can be crucial if you're at risk. It's not for everyday allergies like hay fever, this is strictly for emergencies. And as the National Institutes of Health through Medline Plus explains, it's prescribed to treat those sudden, intense symptoms at the first sign of trouble. Using Neffy is straightforward, but practice with your doctor or pharmacist first. It comes as a single-use nasal spray, always carry 2 with you, just in case. When symptoms hit, insert the nozzle fully into one nostril, keeping it straight. Press the plunger firmly all the way down to release the spray. Try not to sniff while doing this, as it helps the medication absorb properly. If your symptoms don't improve or get worse after about 5 minutes, use a second spray in the same nostril. Right after, head to the emergency room or call for help. They'll check if you need more treatment. Don't reuse a spray, each one is for 1 dose only. And if it's frozen, don't try to thaw it, just get emergency care immediately. Like any medication, Neffy can have side effects. Common ones include throat irritation, a tingling or itchy feeling in your nose, headache, feeling jittery or nervous, sneezing, runny nose, nausea, or dizziness. These are usually mild and go away on their own, but tell your doctor if they're bothersome. More serious precautions. If you have nasal issues like polyps, a history of nose surgery, or a recent nose injury, absorption might be affected. Your doctor might recommend an injectable alternative instead. Use caution if you have heart problems, high blood pressure, diabetes, thyroid issues, or kidney disease, as epinephrine can affect these. It's also got a sulfite that might cause reactions in sensitive people, but don't skip it in an emergency. The National Library of Medicine through PubMed Central highlights in studies that Neffy offers a safe, effective needle-free choice, but always talk to your healthcare provider about your specific situation. Avoid using other nasal sprays around the same time, as Neffy might increase their absorption for up to 2 weeks. Store it at room temperature, away from heat, moisture, and freezing. Keep it in its original packaging until needed, and out of reach of kids. Neffy is a big step forward in making anaphylaxis treatment less scary and more accessible. But remember, it's not a substitute for professional medical care. Always have a plan with your doctor. Before we close, remember, this video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice or diagnosis. Always consult your healthcare provider before making health decisions.
Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Corner. David here. If this helped you understand your health, please subscribe for more clear tips. What health topic would you like next?
Stay well.